Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome to the STEM activity of the day. This is something very new. So this is the very first STEM of the day activity. And today, this morning, we're going to do an invisible message. We're going to play a little detective in discovering what the invisible message that we ourselves create. So what I want you to first do is try an acid-based message and then try a solution in a reagent based message and see which one you have success with. So the acid requires heat, the solution requires a reagent. Do a little bit of research. Now let's get into the STEM activity of the day. That was pretty. Important message here. When you're trying the acid and heat method, be careful with that heat. Parental supervision is probably required. So come on, parent, and let's do this together. At least the first part.